In the name of Allah, it is the fifth day of our lesson. Welcome back to our channel. Dear viewers, I want to sincerely apologize for not uploading the videos as planned. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I wasn't able to get it out on time. I appreciate your understanding and I make sure that I will upload the video as a plan after this time. Thank you for your patience and continued support. In today's video, we are going to talk about the right click. The right click is one of the most important functions of a computer mouse. It is used to open a context menu or a shortcut menu that provide quick access to different options and commands. Right clicking helps user work faster and manage files, folders, and desktop settings more efficiently. You see, it is the functionality of our right click. With right click, we can manage our desktops, setting or personalization, and also create new item on our computer desktops. What is right click? Right click is pressing the right button of our mouse or our touchpad. How to perform the right click? As I said, you can use from your mouse and you press the right button or secondary button of your mouse. It performs the action of the right click, and also you can use from your touchpad. If your computer is a laptop, your computer has a touchpad, then you can use from the touchpad of your computer. You can tap with two fingers on your touchpad, or you can press the right corner of your touchpad. It performs the action of the right click. Right click on the desktops. Let me show you on desktops and you will see and learn that how we can perform or how we can use from the right click. If we right click on a file on our desktop, the menu that come up, it is related to this file. It is the setting of this file. For example, I want to open some setting about this file. I can right click on this file and you can see this option come up to your desktop and they are related to this file. You can change the setting of this file by right clicking on that file. It is the performance, the right click on an item. It is not our subjects today that we right click on an icon or on a file on our computer desktops. Today's subjects is about the right click on an empty area of our computer desktops. For example, here are the empty area of our computer desktops. We can right click in this empty area of our desktop, our computer desktops, and you can see a context menu or a shortcut menu come up, and we can change the setting of these icons, and also we can set the personalization of our computer desktops. When you right click on an empty area of the desktops, a menu appears with several default options. The first one is view. You can see if we right click on an empty area of our computer desktops, a context menu come up and the first option here is view. When we move our cursor to this view option, you can see a sub-menu come up to your computer desktops, and this menu has some options that we are going to talk about this option by details. The first one is large icon. If we press this option, if we click on this option, you will see that this icon become larger, or this icon become large. You can see if I click on this option, you can see the icon of our computer become larger. Then again you can find an empty area of your desktops, then right click on that empty area, then come to the view. The next one that you have here, it is the medium icon. The medium icon, the icon become in a medium size, not too large, not too small, in medium. If you like, or it is your favorite that you can put your icons in a medium size, you can click on this option and you see that the icon become in medium size. And also if you like that you put your icon in a smaller size, you can click on this icon by the name of small icons. You can click on it and you will see that the icon of your computer become smaller. It was about the view, and these three options that we have started. And also they have shortcut buttons, Control plus Shift plus 2. If you press Control plus Shift plus 2, you will see that the icon of your computer become larger. If you use from this shortcut Control plus Shift plus 3, you will see that your icon of your computer become in medium size. And also if you want to that the icon of your computer become smaller, you can click Control plus Shift plus 4, the icon of your computer become smaller. The next one that we have here, auto arrange icon. This option work automatically and they arrange your computer icons, your desktop icons, or set your desktop icons automatically. If you deactivated this one, you can put the icon whatever you want. For example, I want to put this icon here. You see, you can put this icon here, or the next icon you can put here, the next icon, whatever, or whenever you want, you can put those icons there. If we activated the auto arrange icon, you will see this icon arrange automatically here. For example, I right click here and I come to the view option and then I activate this option. You activate this option, you will see that this icon become arranged automatically. The next one that we have here, it is align icon to grid. Align icon to grid, it means this icon, they have the equal space between each icon. If you and activated this option, you can put the icon on another icon. If we activate this option, we cannot put the icon near to the other icon. All the icon have a grade, all icons have a grade, and they just we can put those icon on those grade, and we cannot put on the edge of that grade, or we cannot put out of that grade. It is the align icons to grade. The next one that we have here, show desktop icons. If we deactivated this option, you cannot see this icon on your computer desktop. For example, if I deactivated this one, you see all the icon become hidden. If we want to show the icon of our computer desktop, then again you right click on your computer desktop, then come to view, and then you can activate this option again, and you will see that the icon become appear on your computer desktop. It was about the view option, and you have learned all the option about the view here in this submenu. The next one that we have here, it is sort by. Sort by, you can arrange or order the icon according to these options. For example, by the name, by the size, item type, or date modified. For example, if I want to order my icons, my computer icons according to their names, I can just click on the name. You will see this icon become arranged or order by its name. If I want to order or sort this icon by its size, you can click on the size, or what option you want, you can select from here. It is about the sort by. The next one that you have here, refresh. Refresh is somehow it is refresh your computer, and your computer become faster, and also it is release the file from your computer RAM, random access memory, and it increase your computer speed. You click on this refresh, your computer will be refreshed and your computer work better. We can refresh in 5 ways. The first one is right click and you press the refresh button. The next one that we have here, it is the F5 button from your keyboard. You press the F5 button from your keyboard, you will see that the computer will refresh. The next one that you have here, at the first you open the run command, press Windows key and hold, then press R button. You will see this command line come up to your computer desktops, and you just write those command run, and you will see the computer will be refreshed for you. For example, if you write here help, your computer will refresh. It is the next way that we can refresh our computer. Again, you open the run and then write the run command here by the name of ping, P-I-N-G, and press enter or OK. Your computer will be refreshed. The next way that we have here, again, you can open the run menu or the dialog box of the run. Then you can write in run command 3. You press the enter or OK from here. You see the computer will be refreshed for you. It is the way that we can refresh or we can release some other file from our computer RAM, and it increase the speed of our computer and our computer work better after the refresh. It is about the refresh, and we learn about the refresh and how we can use from the refresh when we work on some heavy apps like After Effects or 3D, 3D Max, or some other engineering apps. Our computer damp or our computer slow in speed. It caused that lots of file created in our RAM and our computer cannot work very well. When we refresh, the RAM of our computer became released or clear from that file, temporary file. It caused that your computer work better and faster. It is the functionality of refresh button. The next one we have here, new. New, we can create by this option some new item on our computer desktops or whenever we want. For example, the first one is folder. We can create folder. As I shown for you on this picture, you can manage desktops, you can personalize or setting or personalization our desktop, and also create new item. By the right click, you can create some new item on our computer desktops. For example, we can right click and come to the new, and you will see this sub menu come up to your computer desktops. The first option is folder. If you click on this option, you will create a folder on your computer desktops. For example, I click on it, you see this folder created on our computer desktops. It is the first way that we can create the folder. The next way that we can create folder on our computer desktops, it is the shortcut button. We can use from Control plus Shift plus N. Press the Control button and hold that one, and also Shift, hold the Shift button, and then you can press the N button. You see the new folder created on our computer desktops. Again, Control plus Shift plus N, you see this new folder created on our computer desktops. It is the second way of making a new item or a folder on computer desktops. In today's video, I think it is enough for today. In the next day, we continue our lesson from here about the folder and the third way of making folder, and also all the things about the folder we will learn in the next lesson. Thank you from your nice attention, and also thank you for your support. I hope that you be happy and healthy, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so I get the motivation to provide some other helpful and also useful videos for you. Thank you. Goodbye.